Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you 4 ways that you can use to print on polymer clay. So let's get started. The first way is using a transparent film with your printer. It doesn't matter if it's an inkjet printer or it's any sort of other printer. You can use any kind of printer that you have at home. So you just insert the transparent film into the printer, and then you print out the pattern or the pictures that you want. So for this video I printed out this black and white kind of pattern that you can see. Then you will just push it through your polymer clay from where the ink is, from the side that the ink is, and then you are gonna use a surface or something smooth to just push it into your clay. Then we just remove the transparent film, and then there you have it. I also did another one on this piece of clay that you can see with another color. So I also want to show you that you can easily remove this, and you can have just one transparent film and use it several times with any sort of designs. I also tried it out with the color ink, and if you want to print out a colorful design, and that also works like a charm. You can just print it out on a transparent film and you can have your beautiful colorful design just transferred to your polymer clay. I also transferred some on my working surface, but you can just easily remove them. And I have another example of another design that I just showed you. The second way to do so, to print something on polymer clay, is with stamps. With stamps you can do like wonders. You can either use the stamp ink by itself, or you can just get creative. For example, on this piece I want to use mica powder to make a shiny pattern on my piece of polymer clay. Just make sure to just take off any excess powder. So all of my dabbing was because I wanted to take off the excess powder. I also can use, as you can see, the stamp ink, and just put my stamp through the ink and just push it through the clay. I don't push it really hard, but I just press it enough so I can just have the pattern transferred to the clay. I have another piece with more of these designs for you to see, and also I have a black and white print of this cactus print that I did, just to give you guys some ideas. There are a lot of stamps with different sorts of designs. For example, this stamp is a silicone stamp that you can buy, and you can use all these stamps with acrylic paints, with stamp inks, or with mica powders or dry pastels. You can really use it in all sorts of colors that you can find. Even eyeshadow would work with the stamp on polymer clay. I just make sure that it's covered with the ink, and I'm not missing a part. Then you can just push it through the clay and transfer the design. If you had ink or dots in some places that you don't want, then you can easily use a Q-tip with a little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean out those parts and not the rest of the design. So another way is to use a very simple, this is like a piece of white paper, and I'm using acrylic marker to just draw a design. This way is a perfect way for any artist, any painter, anyone with a good drawing to just transfer their designs into the clay. I am obviously not a good artist and I don't know how to paint, but I'm just making a design. As you can see, this is acrylic paint marker, and this may be red flowers, the same kind. By the way, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell, and so you receive notification whenever I post a new video. I just make a design. Not the best one, but just so you get the idea. Then you just would put it on the piece of clay that you want to transfer it to, and push it a little bit, and then you will use the magic potion, which is nail polish remover. This is the German brand, but you can use any nail polish remover that you have. And I'm just rubbing my nail polish remover onto the design. And then just carefully remove it, and voila, it looks like magic. It just transferred everything that I draw onto the clay. This is another childish design that I did, and just as a reference. So if you tell me you don't know how to draw, you don't have a printer, and also you don't have any stamps, then I would say that is fine too. You can just use your cutter. For example, in this case I'm using a flower cutter. You can use your earrings cutter or any sort of cutter. Just press it into stamp or into acrylic paint or any other coloring medium that you have, and you can just transfer the shape into the clay. So you can make beautiful patterns and designs just by using your regular cutter. That would be so awesome. Just don't push it too hard so you don't cut the clay. You just want to transfer the ink into the clay. So I'm also using my dotting tool to complete the flowers, and here you have it. 4 ways to make some prints on polymer clay. So please let me know in the comments which one of these ways you already knew, and which ones are new to you, and which one is your favorite. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.